boy Shotgun Suge rocking out with Gemski TV. I fuck with them, man. A1, you heard, all the way from the South Ward, man. Fucking with them, we out here. It's your boy Shotgun Suge, man. North New Jersey, you know what I'm saying? 07112. You know, so I feel good about it, you know what I'm saying? Feel he came like he was supposed to, you know what I'm saying? Come in, I'm a vet in this. So he came how he's supposed to. You know what I'm saying? You know, I held it down for Jersey, you know what I'm saying? That's what I do. I mean, if I feel a nigga working hard enough, man, you know what I'm saying, I'll do it. You know what I'm saying? The money together and everything, the business together. If I feel a nigga working, I'll do it. You know what I'm saying? I feel like enough niggas see him. Niggas know who he is. You know what I'm saying? I respected the nigga, like, you know what I mean? He came to do what he did. Rosenberg Raw.
And I actually was
dead meat. Like dead meat, no plan, no fabricated, nothing. Dead meat, straight up. I don't like him. He got a beef with himself, but it makes me so mad. He just be talking. He's an underage kid that just be running his mouth. I gotta put him in his place because you don't talk to grown folks like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just don't like the nigga. You know what I mean? He just a snide-nosed kid, just be talking. I'ma shut him the fuck up. Get the fuck out of here. All hard shit. Street, thorough shit. Fuck wrong with him. You know what I'm saying? He's some old Chestnut County ass nigga. Fuck out of here. Word, yo? Got Big Cannon coming up. You know what I mean? I got a nigga named California. I got a nigga named Roller coming up. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? What else? You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to book me. I'm with it, you know what I mean?
Biggie.